Hey guys, I'm here. Welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video, then I don't have to tell you that artificial intelligence is changing the world. But what I can tell you is that it is doing so much more than you might think and much faster than you might expect. From creating content in mere seconds to powering self-driving cars, AI is no longer the future. It's happening right now. And if you've ever wondered how this technology works, or how you can use it in your daily life, you've just landed at the right place. This is a place where we demystify the complexities of artificial intelligence, making it easy for anyone to understand and use. We believe that AI is not just a technological advancement, but a tool that can empower individuals, businesses, and even entire industries. At Cybernest Hub, we take pride in delivering informative and engaging content that will keep you up to date with the latest AI developments. Our team of experts is dedicated to making AI and tech easy to understand, fun to explore, and useful for everyone. So whether you're a curious beginner looking to learn about the basics of artificial intelligence, or an experienced professional seeking to dive into the latest research and development, we've got something for you. And here's just a glimpse of what you can expect from us. AI, tool reviews, and tutorials. We'll show you the best AI tools and how to use them. In-depth trend analysis. We'll keep you informed about the latest AI trends and developments. Interviews with industry leaders. Get insights from the brightest minds in the AI community. Practical use cases. Discover how AI is being used to solve real-world problems and ethical considerations. We'll discuss the ethical implications of AI and its impact on society. We're more than just a tech channel. We are a community of learners and explorers who are passionate about artificial intelligence and its potential to change the world. So what are you waiting for? Join us on our journey to uncover the endless possibilities of AI and tech. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get notified when we publish new videos. And don't forget to share your feedback and suggestions with us. Together, we can navigate the ever-evolving world of AI and ensure that it is used for the benefit of humanity. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video!